Hi, to set up your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25, as a first step, turn on your phone by pressing this power button on the right side of it. Now we need to tap this button to actually start setup. And here choose language. After that, tap button next and agree to end user license agreement and then tap next again. Now you can easily set up this phone with the help of another device, for example with the help of your old phone, or you can set up manually this phone as a brand new device. Now you can enable Wi-Fi and connect to your network. Mine is already connected, so let's just tap next. And at this point we can choose whether we want to copy apps and data from the old phone or don't copy. I'm gonna pick don't copy and go next. And now we can sign in Google account. So enter your email or phone number and then enter your passcode. And I'm gonna show you what's next. So here choose who will be using your device, you or your child, and agree with terms of service, just as usual. Now it is getting account info, and after that we can protect the phone by setting lock screen type. Here you can pick something from the list, or you can skip this step and do it later in settings. Now you can enable or disable to use location, allow scanning, and send usage and diagnostic data. I'm gonna disable this one by tapping on the switcher and accept my choice. Here you can back up your device or choose don't backup, but if you don't want to lose your data in the future, then pick something and choose turn on backup. And after that, simply pick your search engine. So I'm gonna pick Google and set as default. And now we can find this new AI assistant, which is Gemini. Just tap continue, and if you want to use it, tap this blue button turn on. And now we are reading again, so this may take a few moments. And here it is. You can sign in your Samsung account with the help of email or phone number, or with the help of QR code, or you can sign in with Google, or if you forgot your password or don't have an account, then pick this option. And now you need to agree with terms and conditions, and other settings are optional, so you can either agree or disagree and tap next. Now you see this list, just tap agree and choose your display mode, either light or dark. I'm gonna pick light and let's tap next and wait again. Here you can get this recommended app, also tap next, and that's it, all set up. You can see what's new and go to the homepage. Let's check what's new. So you can find this information about Galaxy AI. So let's just scroll through the list. Also, we can find those more new features, for example, customize app and widget style, and so on. And now let's go home. And that's it. We successfully set up this Samsung Galaxy S25. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.